This is Justin here in San Francisco live, presenting you all with the iPad Pro launch at the San Francisco store. Got the security guard packing up. He's like, oh, I'm done for the day. Surprisingly enough, the iPad Pro is available for pickup today at the store. So, we hop online and it's like, hey, pick up at the store today. And I'm like, really? It's very interesting how Apple has chosen to do away with their display modules. Like, there's no display. Looks like we can open up the latches there and do some cool digging into the setup behind the actual displays. And look who's here. Kim, what's up? Say hi to Periscope.
Hi,
It is 6:19. And the sun's coming. It's bright outside. Whoa. There's our sun. No, I'm just kidding.
video friend.
That's funny. The video friend. That's hilarious.
Alright, I'll find it.
What's up, YouTube? It's Justin here in the Apple Store San Francisco, and we're going to unbox the brand new iPad Pro. Let's get right into it. Are you ready for this? It's magic. Beauty. All right, so inside the box here we have our famous design by Apple in California quote. iPad Pro. I like the little Apple logo. That rhymed, and I didn't even mean for it to. Some basic iPad info. It's very minimal Apple stickers and a quick to get started guide. All right, so here we have our lightning cable to charge our device. And then we have our 10-watt wall adapter. Oh no, it's 12 watts. Oh my. Alright, so I'm going to keep that in there. Let's get in right into the beast. Wow, that was extremely fast. So hello, hola, it goes through the languages. Let's slide to set up. English, United, or do we want? How do we?
United States.
Okay, United States. Choose an Apple Watch. I like how it automatically selects the Apple Store network. It knows we're in the Apple Store. Add location, blah, blah, blah. Enable location services. Set up Touch ID later. Continue. Don't add a passcode. Continue. Set up his new iPad. Don't have. Set up later in settings. Don't use. Agree. Agree. Turn on Siri. Send the Apple. Share with developers. Welcome to iPad. Let's get started. And there we go, guys.
So fast.
That was the fastest setup I've ever done on an iOS device. It's great hanging out with you all. Until next time.